Helps relieve dry skin. Jergens Ultra Healing Moisturizer helps to improve skin's appearance and texture. Extra Dry Skin Lotion absorbs into extra dry skin, including typically rough spots like heels, elbows, and knees. Helps to repair dry skin, penetrates 5 layers of skin and reduce dryness at the source. Visibly healthier skin. With continual use of Jergens Ultra Healing Dry Skin Moisturizer, skin is nourished and looks visibly healthier over time. Formulated with quality ingredients, a unique formulation, with Hydralucence blend of ingredients combined with vitamin C, E, and B, to leave skin luminous. Repair dryness at the source with Jergens Ultra Healing Moisturizer for extra dry skin. The nourishing formula penetrates through 5 layers of skin to heal extra dry skin, improve tone and texture, and leave it smooth and visibly healthier. The formula absorbs to soften areas that tend to need the most moisture like heels, elbows, and knees. This body moisturizer, with a unique Hydralucence blend of ingredients plus vitamin C, E, and B5, leaves your skin luminous and moisturized for up to 48 hours. Jergens Hand and Body Lotion for women and men is carefully formulated for optimal dry skin relief. Jergens Hand Lotion with pump hydrates and moisturizes dry and cracked hands for extra dry skin relief. Body Cream for women and men soothes skin for long-lasting hydration. Hand Cream for dry cracked hands rejuvenates cracked skin for optimal moisture. Satisfaction guaranteed. Limitations may apply. Top reviews from the United States. Number 1 best smelling, moisturizing lotion ever. I've been using Jergens lotion, cherry vanilla, for years and discovered the Ultra Healing formula one day. The scent is fresh and clean, absorbs well into your skin leaving it supple and soft. My kids and husband commented on my soft hands though I'm an avid gardener. I will be a lifelong buyer of Jergens Ultra Healing.